Somebody told me at some point I would have to grow up. So yeah, I bought a big ass cargo van. Now I'm gonna put my bike in it, a bed in it, and go travel the world. Let's do it. Alright, it's a rainy day, but we're in a time crunch anyways. We leave to travel the world Saturday, and today's Wednesday. So it is a budget van build, time crunch. We got it all. But this is my 2010 Chevy Express 3500 wide body cargo van. Oh yeah. Let's check out the interior of the van. Wait to start get working. Let's do it. It is currently 1:10 in the morning. We just got the subflooring down. Getting the rust out. All right, so that's the end of day 2-ish. It's like it's 2 in the morning now. So there, yeah, you can't even fucking tell. Oh, they are. That is a big. They are gone. My amazing diagram skills. Little Home Depot stop and picked up bunch of 2x4s, this super thick, like half-inch thick, I don't know, thing. It was cheaper than plywood, so I got it. Same with this. This is gonna be my countertop. Right here we have the cabinet, sink, kitchen area. Through. We have a sink. Big day. We didn't get to bed until 7 o'clock last night. Up at 7 and back. Up at 7 and back working. We are staining the wood right now all the way around, making it look super nice and protecting this so it's waterproof. So we ripped the metal bed out that was in there because we were just having too many issues with it. It was cutting up the wood. So we went with my original design. Excited. We just finished up day something. I am absolutely tired. It is now 1:39 in the morning. Also, I got a tattoo today. My first one. We actually left yesterday, so we bought the van on Thursday, built it out, and we left on Monday. We didn't film any of yesterday because it was quite the emotional day. I just graduated, so that was me moving out of the house and leaving everybody I know to travel. So we passed Wisconsin a little while ago, and I'm not quite sure where we are. We've been on the road for quite a while now, and we just started getting into the mountains. Exciting. We'll show you the full van once we get to the Badlands in South Dakota, and we'll get the good camera out and really show you all the work that we put in because we accomplished a lot. Alright. Holy shit. Alright, let's go hike and stand on that edge. Oh, that's a rut. What is up, guys? We're actually not at the Badlands in South Dakota. It is 3 weeks later and we're in Washington. The first 2 weeks of the trip, we went on an absolute tear. We went through 10 states. We were riding these riding destinations all over the place that were just incredible. The best trails I've ever ridden in my life. And I didn't film any of it. I didn't film any of it because I was traveling with my brother and some friends, and I just wanted to enjoy every second that I could with them, and it was amazing. Now the van. Everything has worked so nicely in the van, and let's take a look at it. Here she is. Here's the first look at the Just Go Faster van. Pretty cool. All right, let's go over the tour now. Okay, so now, for starters, I didn't even know this when I got the van, but in the floor, the walls and the ceiling, there are 2 layers of insulation. That was such a nice surprise after I got the van. Now, the flooring, we have a bamboo flooring, nice hardwood floor, works amazing. This is the food pantry right here. We built both of these ourselves, actually. All the wood in here is a little bit from Home Depot, but most of it is just some trash wood that we found in dump sites and everything, and we took back, we sanded it down, stained it, and polyurethaned it, and oh my gosh, dude, the wood turned out incredible. I love the wood vibe of the whole van. So here's the food pantry, just loading that with food. We got utensils and stuff down there. And then we have a little drop door here. That comes down, we got some water storage, we got a toilet here. Everything I need, some fans, tools, cleaning supplies. We have a grill up here. This thing has worked amazingly. Been using that for a while, blender, all that. Sink's right up here. The sink system, I am so happy with this. I don't know why people spend like a couple $100, you know, gray water system just to have to pump to use a sink. I didn't want that. Instead, I kind of just cut a circle in my countertop and put the biggest bowl I could find in it. And now my sink can go anywhere, and I just have a water jug that goes up there, and I have an $8 sink that works better than, you know, like any other sink I've seen. So super happy with this, and I love how I can access my storage from right there. That worked amazingly. And then onto the bed again, more trash wood that we cleaned up and got looking pretty nice. This is a super comfy bed. It is 6.5 feet wide this way, so fit pretty nicely. Memory foam mattress right there. Underneath we have a whole bunch of storage. We got a big speaker that's gonna be connected here soon for clothes. That was a big thing that was kind of hard to figure out. Originally I had them in bins, but I really like the bag situation a lot better. You just pull out the bag that you want. I have 2 other Rubbermaids back there as well. One of them's not even full of anything. I have so much extra storage. Here we got this fork that we shoved in the wall, and it makes as a really nice paper towel dispenser and bike apparel holder. Some more stuff shoved in here. We got a paracord dispenser right there. For lighting in here, we kind of just threw up these magnet lights. They can go anywhere in the van because, you know, it's metal. Like, these work so nicely. Really like these. We have them up all over the place. Got some there, got another one here. One of my favorite things about this van is how simple we kept it, and because we kept it simple, one of the things I really wanted was this big open space right here. I am so happy. It is the thing I'm happiest most about, because I have enough room to stretch out. I have like 8 feet this way and 4 feet this way. I have so much room to stretch out. I've done a workout right here. I use this all the time. It's the coolest spot to just sit right here, let the breeze come in. Absolutely thrilled that we have this giant open space here that I can do whatever I want with it. The cool thing that we can do is we can walk right up into the front, which is really cool. We can like switch drivers like while we're on the highway and everything, which is really fun to do. Thank you guys so much for watching. This has seriously been a ridiculously fun experience. Like, it's been a lot of hard work, but just some problem solving and the thinking needed to put all the stuff that's traditionally in a home into a little tiny tin can on wheels is crazy, and I had way more fun than I was expecting to have. The past 3 weeks we've had some pretty good times. We've gone on crazy adventures. Every single day you go out on an adventure and you make a new story and you meet somebody you haven't and you make new friends and you just go on all these experiences, and it has been surreal just the past couple weeks. My nights don't even feel real, how just peaceful and how nice it is to be out there. So I hope you guys follow along. I can't wait to bring you guys into my crazy life, and yeah, see you soon.